Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Inflation at the end of July was 10.2%. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the rise in prices over the 12 months to July was driven by a 12.6% increase in the cost of goods in the category food and non-alcoholic beverages. Point-to-point inflation up to June was 10.9%. The Bank of Jamaica inflation target range is 4 to 6%. The percentage increase in the cost of goods has exceeded that target range over the last year due to price pressures driven by the pandemic. The Jamaica Public Service Company made increased profits of $16.5 million for the quarter ended June. The company achieved this on a revenues of a little over $300 million compared to $236 million for the corresponding period last year. More Jamaicans paid taxes in 2021. The taxpayer population increased by 1.5% to 261,638 persons. The on-time filing rate of taxpayers also improved to 61%, up from 56.2% in the previous year. The survey says this was due to increases across all taxpayer segments. One energy expert says the world should brace for higher oil prices by year-end. Head of energy research at U.S.-based investment banking firm Goldman Sachs, Damian Corvalin, says to counter the demand deficit being experienced, oil prices could reach $130 per barrel. The forecast assumes China's demand for jet fuel and diesel only grows moderately from now to 2023, pressured by its zero COVID-19 policy. And for foreign currency trading today, the US dollar is being sold for an average $152.28. $118.05 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $182.81 for the pound. It's costing an average $155.71 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 189 points today, while the junior market index declined by 12 points. Among the winners, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, Margaritaville Turks, and Epley 5% preference shares. On the losing side, we had Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, T-Tech, Lumber Depot, Key Insurance Company, and JMMB Group 7.25%. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.